Hello guys, welcome to my channel Money Factor. Today I am going to review an app called G Rewards. So not only review, I am also gonna give you the biggest unique hacking trick of this application. And not only this application, you can apply this trick to any other application as well. And it works for most of the applications. Alright. And before we start, let me make this clear. This is not a referral trick or any kind of referral bypass trick. Also, this is not any trick where you have to create multiple accounts with the parallel space or any other virtual spaces applications. Okay. All right. Let's start. So before we start, I'm gonna review quickly about the G Rewards app. Let me open the G Rewards app now. Alright, so as soon as you open, you need to sign up. You will see the Gmail account where you can choose your Gmail and you can sign up using your Gmail account. I have already signed up and you can see the application in front of you. So on the right side top corner, you can see the score, which is 515 points. And then you will see other options to earn the points. Okay, so the one of the option is the daily bonus, task offer, survey offer, spin and earn, watch and earn, and you can also get by referral code. So these are the different ways you can make money through this application. The easiest ways are I would say spin and earn and the watch and earn. So let me give you some quick review of that. So I will open the spin and earn first, and I will show you how you can make money using that spin rewards. Okay, so as soon as you hit the spin now button, the spin will rotate and you will get some kinds of point in between 1 and 10. So here you can see I got like 5 points. So after a few seconds you will get that you have won 5 coins. Press OK button, it will show ads. You can cancel the ads. And now if you go back, you will see the addition of 5 points in my score. Alright, second is the watch and earn. So basically you can watch videos and you can just earn 5 or 6 coins out of it. Okay, and daily bonus, you get some points in the daily bonus. Others are task offer as well as survey offer. Alright, so let me back out. Okay, we are not going to check all those things. I just wanted to give the quick review. So let's find out what is the exact way to get these points redeemed. Okay, so first of all, you will see the different options here: wallet, transaction, invite a friend. So click on the wallet options. You will see your coins, 520 coins. Click on the redeem now buttons. You can see the multiple options here. First of all is the Paytm, which is the Indian kind of PayPal, where usually you need to have the Indian mobile number in order to have the Paytm cash. Other options are the PUBG, UC, and the Fire Diamonds or Free Fire Diamonds. So basically you get the 3 different kinds of payment method where you can earn. As you can see, the highest in Paytm is like 8,000 coins is equal to 50 rupees. Okay, so, and you can see other payment methods as well. Let's go back, and now let me show you the transaction. So transaction history is nothing but whenever you redeem or whenever you request the payment, it will show all the history of that. Okay, alright, so this is the quick review of the app. Now let's go back to our main thing. I will just back out of the application. Okay, alright, so everybody's waiting for this, like what is this trick? So the trick is, so first of all you need to open something, you need to download in order to apply this trick. Okay, So first of all, you need to open the Google Chrome browser, as you can see in my screen, and I will give you the link of this website in my description. Okay, so this is nothing but the Game Guardian app. So Game Guardian is an app which is mainly used for the hacking tricks, but you must know how to use this Game Guardian. Okay, and today I'm going to review how to use this Game Guardian trick and how to apply this trick in this G Rewards application. You can also apply the same trick in many other applications, some kind of Ludo applications, which Indian players usually play, uh, and there are so many other applications where you can try this trick and it mostly works. All right, so let's start this. So first of all, you need to download this Game Guardian. So once you click on the link in my descriptions, you will see this kind of interface, and you need to click on the download Game Guardian 99th version. Right now, as of time of recording, it's 99th version. I'll click on that APK, just click agree and download. You will see two different kinds of Game Guardian here. One is regular and one is for Nox BlueStacks APK. So basically this is for like some kind of other kind of platforms, but we need to download the first one. Let's click on that. As soon as you hit that, click download at the bottom, and you can see now you can open that, and you will see the do you want to install this application. So I will just give you install, click on the install button, and it started installing. Let's just wait for some time. Okay, it's there, and now you can just click on the open at the bottom. Okay, so now the application is installed, but there are two different ways you can install it. You can install to hack the 32-bit games in 64-bit virtual space, and another is the 64-bit games in 64-bit virtual space. Most of the new mobiles today is 64-bit, so you can go with the second options, which is this one. And if that doesn't work, you can, if your mobile is older, then you can use the 32-bit games, but most of the times it should work for the 64-bit games in 64-bit virtual space. So let's click on that, and you can see the Game Guardian performs a reinstallation of itself with a random name to exclude detection by the games. Here I will give deny. You might not get that option because my phone is rooted phone. Probably your phone is not rooted phone and you don't get that options. If your phone is rooted, then you can deny that. Now it says that for security reason your phone is not allowed to install the unknown apps. Go to the settings, just click on that and just go back, and now you can see on the top the name is CGFHQB and so and so. So basically they have changed the name of the applications, so other applications which you are trying to hack, they don't know about this application. Okay, all right, now we can install these applications and it should install in few seconds. All right, so we can see something now, and it should, okay, again we got this pop-up, we'll deny it. Okay, so you need to uninstall the installer app, otherwise you will see the 4 icons. So just press OK and it will automatically give you the option to uninstall the installer app. Just press OK to that. Now it says work mode. So my phone is rooted, so either I can use rooted or I can use no root. Just here I want to show for most of the folks which does not who do not have the rooted phone, they can choose the no root option. So I will click on the no root, and now it says you need to install the virtual space applications such as Parallel Space and other applications. So basically most of you who are following my videos, they know that we have the Parallel Space using for the Termux application as well. So we can just press OK, and now we are going back to the Game Guardian. If you don't have the virtual space, this Parallel Space, you can go down further and you can see here the Parallel Space multi accounts, and you can download the applications from this download APK options. Okay, here I already have that, so I'm not gonna download that. Now we are back on our screen, and let's do this. First of all, whatever G Rewards application we have, we are going to make a clone of it, and we are also going to make a clone of parallel space application, this Game Guardian application. Both clones should be there in the parallel space. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the parallel space. So as soon as you click, you will see some beginning screens, and you need to just hit OK, and then you will clone couple of 2 or 3 applications like this, and then click on the add app, and you will see the application which you want, which you can clone basically from your phones. You can uncheck everything, and now you see the Game Guardian here. So just click on Game Guardian, as well as you want the G Rewards, so click on the G Rewards. So now you have 2 applications in the parallel space. Now click on the add to parallel space, and you will see that both of the applications are here. Okay, all right. So the next thing is we are going to launch our G Rewards app, and you need only one Gmail account. Okay, another Gmail account. So basically you can just click on the G Rewards app, and basically it will start the G Rewards applications in the parallel space. Okay, now it asks you to log in with the Google. So as I said, you need to have at least one Google Gmail account, or the fake Gmail account, which you can use here. And as soon as you hit the login with Google, it will show you the option to enter your Gmail account. And basically let me put my Gmail account here. Alright, so I'm almost logging in, and as you can see, I have already logged in. You'll get this, you can back out. Alright, so as you can see, initially it gives like 100 points to you, and alright, so now you need to click on the spin and on. Let's click on that. Now once you are on this screen, you are going to minimize this, and again go back to the parallel space, and now the main thing starts here for the Game Guardian. So open the Game Guardian, and you will see the screen with the instructions. Just click on at the bottom at the start button, bottom right, and as soon as you hit the start button, you will see this floating icon of the Game Guardian. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna again minimize this and go back to our open applications. All right, so we are on the spin and on page. Now you see this Game Guardian icon, just keep it aside, and I will let you know what to do with that. Before we do anything, just click on the Game Guardian icon, and now it's asking to select your process. Okay, if it doesn't ask you, just click on the left side top corner, and once you hit that, you will see all the processes. Now you have to select this Game Guardian G Rewards application here. Okay, that process. So I selected that, and at the left side top corner you are seeing the G Reward symbol. Okay, so basically you have selected that process. Now click the back button, and now since you have selected that process, now you are going to spin the spin now. Okay, so as soon as you hit spin now, whatever points you get, so you got 3 points, and just don't do anything. Now you will see the notice that you have won 3 coins from the spin and on. Okay, so just hit the OK button. All right, we'll see the ad, close the ad. Okay, now go back to click on this floating icon of the Game Guardian, and now you will see on the second line you will see so many things like double arrow, save button, and then magnifying glass with question mark, trash bin and some pencil button, and the sixth is the magnifying glass alone. So you are going to click on that. Okay, be very careful here because it is very important. Alright, so now we got 3 points, so we are going to enter 3 here and click on this question mark tab. Okay, so once you click on the question mark, you are going to select this D word, second options. So I have selected D word. As you can see, the type is D word. Now what you're gonna do is, all the way at the bottom you see the new search. You are going to click on the new search. Okay, so I'm clicking on the new search. It will search for some time, and it found at the bottom, you can see 32,000 items. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna spin it again. You get basically 15 total spins per day. Okay, so you have enough spins. Now you got 6. Okay, so the same process we are going to do it again. Click on OK, remove the ad. Now go back to click on the Game Guardian floating icon, and now we are going to put 6. Okay, 6, and we have already selected the type as a D word, as you can see. Now what we are going to do, we are going to click on the refine at the bottom, not the new search, refine. So I am clicking the refine, and now all the values you can see with the 6, and basically total 9 values you can see on the top, 9 values with the 6. Now again you will hit the back button, or you can close this out on the cancel button, and then again third time you're gonna spin. Okay, as you can see, this is third time we are spinning. Now we got the 3. All right, no problem. Again we have to do the same step again. You have won 3 coins. Okay, you will see the ads, and we will cancel that ad and go back to the spin section. Okay, now again we're going to click on this Game Guardian symbol, and now again you're going to click on this not question mark, this magnifying glass, and now this time you are going to enter 3 because you got the 3. Okay, now again we are going to click on the refine, and as you can see, we narrowed down to the one value which says 3. Okay, now what we're gonna do, this is the value we are going to use it. So now again cross button, and 4th time we are running it, spin now. So whatever value it comes here, you will be able to see there in the Game Guardian. So you got 2. So again we will wait. Okay, add, we will close the ad and then go back to the spin section again, and we got 2. Right, now look here, as soon as I open this, you are seeing the value 2 here. So basically whatever you are getting, the value is coming up here. So now what you want to do is just click on this 5th symbol of the pencil button with writing thing. We'll click on that, and we are going to put whatever amount we want, whatever points we want. Okay, yes, whatever points we put here, we are going to get those points in the next spin. So let me put this let's say 555 points. Yes, 555 points. You can put any amount. Okay, and now click on this freeze button, and then you will hit this yes at the bottom. Okay, and now cross button, and now as soon as you hit this spin now button, you will see the magic now. So you got 3, and now see, you have won 555 coins. You can see you have won 555 coins. Okay, just hit OK button, and you will see the ads. Close that ad and let's go back to our home screen. Bingo, you can see the total point is 669. Now you can see we already got 555 points plus 100 points plus other spins point, right? So this is the biggest hack or trick. So whatever points you need, you can put it here now. So let me see. Okay, and just hit this. Let me get out of this application. Now hit this. Now you can see this 555. So every time you spin, you will get 555 points. Now we have already got out of the application. We will exit it. Okay, and now let me go back to our parallel space and reopen this G Rewards applications. And you can see we have 669 points. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's little difficult for you guys, but watch the video without missing anything, and just you will find that this amazing trick is going to work. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you will like it, and please subscribe to my channel if you like it for more this kind of video. Okay, thank you very much.